So today at BizWiz Tech, we have a challenger. Our refurbished tech challenged me to a 200 push-ups versus an iPhone 11 screen replacement. I couldn't say no, so I just jumped straight down, started getting into the push-ups. He got me on the bottom. As you can see, I'm taking the lead very early. As you can see, our friend Sammy still kind of struggling to get that iPhone 11 screen open, and I got 88 push-ups. But we still have hope for Sammy. I think he can win. The full video, check out on our channel. But enjoy.